Welcome home, friends! This stunning home just hit the market in Crawford Farms. This one-story home features 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and over 2,000 square feet of living space. From the moment you pull up to this home, you're welcomed with lush curb appeal and the sweetest front porch. Inside, you're greeted by tall ceilings, a roomy entry foyer, and new flooring. Towards the front of the home, you'll find 2 large bedrooms and a full bathroom. Back in the main living spaces, you're going to love these. The family room is grand and it boasts gorgeous windows, and it is centered by a gas-powered fireplace and built-in shelving. But this home continues. There is a 4th bedroom space off the living room that can be used as a bedroom or office. It is a flex space to fit your lifestyle. The kitchen is a dream with fresh white cabinets, quartz on the island, and golden accent hardware. The owner suite has a wow factor. With fresh paint, it's very spacious and ready for you to make this your relaxing retreat. During the summer, entertain in style in this large yard that has been meticulously manicured. The property backs up to a green belt for the convenience of jogging, walking with kids or pets, and more. Located in the highly coveted Keller ISD, this home is zoned for Eagle Ridge Elementary School, Timberview Middle School, and Timber Creek High School. It won't last long, so call us today to schedule an appointment to come see this fabulous home brought to you by Ludwin and Margie Real Estate.